Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your English faster than anything else. Not a trick. Not a shortcut. Not a temporary boost. A real method. A simple habit. English practice every single day. The kind of practice that builds fluency step by step, naturally, and permanently. Many learners study English for months, even years, but still feel stuck. They understand basic sentences. They know grammar rules. They recognize words when they read or listen. But when it is time to speak, they hesitate. They pause. They feel unsure. Why does this happen? Because they are not practicing English in a consistent and active way. They are learning, but not training. And language is not just something you learn. Language is something you train every day. In this video, I am going to show you a clear and practical way to improve your English fluency by practicing daily. This is not theory. This is not just motivation. This is a real system you can follow, even if you are busy, even if you are a beginner, even if you feel shy. If you apply this method seriously, your English will not stay the same. You will think faster. You will speak more smoothly. You will understand more naturally. And most importantly, you will feel confident using English in your daily life. If you are serious about improving your English fluency step by step, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you will get simple systems, practical strategies, and real guidance to help you speak English confidently and improve faster. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. Let us start with the first idea. Practice is not optional. Practice is everything. Many learners believe that if they study grammar deeply and learn a lot of vocabulary, fluency will come automatically. But that is not true. Knowledge alone does not create fluency. Practice creates fluency. Imagine you want to learn how to play a musical instrument. You can read books about it. You can watch videos. You can understand the theory. But if you do not actually play the instrument every day, you will never become good at it. English is exactly the same. If you want to speak English fluently, you must use it every day. Even if your sentences are simple. Even if you make mistakes. Even if you feel slow at the beginning. Daily practice does not mean long hours of study. It means regular, focused, and active use of English. Even 30 minutes a day can change your progress if you use that time correctly. The key is not how much time you spend. The key is how you use that time. You need a system that includes speaking, listening, reading, and writing. All four skills working together create real fluency. When you practice daily, your brain starts recognizing patterns faster. Your mouth becomes more comfortable producing sounds. Your ears become better at understanding natural speech. And slowly, English becomes a part of your thinking process, not just something you translate in your head. Now let us talk about speaking practice, because this is where most learners struggle the most. Many people avoid speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think they need to be perfect before they start. But perfection is not the starting point. Practice is the starting point. If you wait until you feel ready, you will wait forever. The truth is simple. you become ready by speaking. You improve by making mistakes and correcting them. You build confidence by using the language, not by avoiding it. A simple and powerful method is daily self-speaking. Every day, take 10 minutes and speak out loud about your life. Talk about your day, your plans, your thoughts, your goals. For example, you can say, "Today I woke up early. I felt a little tired, but I decided to start my day with a positive mindset. I had breakfast, then I started working on my tasks. I want to improve my English, so I am practicing every day." These sentences may look simple, but they are very powerful. They train your brain to form sentences naturally. They connect your thoughts directly to English, and they reduce your fear of speaking. Now let us move to listening practice, which is often ignored but very important. If you want to speak English fluently, you must train your ears. Listening helps you understand how real English sounds. It teaches you pronunciation, rhythm, and natural expressions. But you must listen in the right way. Do not just play long videos and expect improvement. That is passive listening. Instead, choose short audio clips, around 1 minute, and listen carefully. First, listen without reading. Try to understand the general meaning. Then listen again and focus on specific words. After that, check the transcript and see what you missed. Finally, listen one more time and try to understand everything clearly. This method may feel slow, but it is very effective. It trains your brain to decode English step by step. When you repeat this daily, your listening skills improve quickly. And when your listening improves, your speaking improves automatically. Because you start copying natural patterns. You start using real expressions. You start sounding more like a fluent speaker. Reading is another important part of daily practice. Reading helps you expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure. But you should not read difficult texts that you do not understand. Choose graded readers or simple English content that matches your level. When you read, do not rush. Read slowly and try to understand the meaning of each sentence. If you find a new word, try to guess its meaning from the context before checking the dictionary. This improves your thinking ability in English. You can also practice reading out loud. This is a powerful technique that many learners ignore. When you read out loud, you train your pronunciation and speaking at the same time. You also build confidence because you hear your own voice in English. This makes the language feel more natural to you. Start with 5 minutes a day and increase gradually. Writing is the fourth skill, and it helps you organize your thoughts. When you write, you slow down and think carefully about your sentences. This helps you notice your mistakes and improve your grammar. A simple daily habit is to write a short paragraph about your day. It does not need to be perfect. The goal is to express your thoughts. After writing, you can check your mistakes and correct them. Over time, you will see improvement in your sentence structure and vocabulary. Now let us bring all these skills together into a daily routine. Imagine you have 30 minutes. You can divide your time like this. 10 minutes for speaking, 10 minutes for listening, 5 minutes for reading, and 5 minutes for writing. This balanced practice helps you improve in all areas. And because the routine is simple, You can follow it every day without feeling overwhelmed. Consistency is the most important factor in this process. Many learners feel motivated for a few days and then stop. But fluency is not built in a few days. It is built through daily effort. Even small practice sessions can create big results if you stay consistent. Think of it like exercise. You do not see results in one day, but if you exercise regularly, your body becomes stronger. English works the same way. Your brain becomes stronger with daily practice. Another important point is mindset. You must change the way you think about mistakes. Mistakes are not something to avoid. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Every mistake shows you what you need to improve. If you are not making mistakes, it means you are not pushing yourself enough. So do not be afraid. Speak, write, and practice without fear. Over time, your mistakes will reduce and your confidence will grow. You can also use tools like ChatGPT to support your daily practice. You can practice conversations, get corrections, and learn new expressions. But remember, the tool is only helpful if you use it actively. Do not just read answers. Interact, respond, and practice. Make it a part of your daily routine. As you continue practicing every day, you will notice small changes. You will understand more words. You will form sentences faster. You will feel less nervous when speaking. These small changes are signs of progress. Do not ignore them. Celebrate them. They show that your effort is working. At the end, remember this simple truth. Fluency is not a mystery. It is a result of daily practice. If you use English every day, even in a small way, you will improve. Step by step, day by day, your English will become stronger. One day, you will look back and realize that what once felt difficult now feels natural. Keep practicing. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Your English fluency is not far away. As you move forward with your daily English practice, it is important to understand that progress is not always fast or visible. Some days you will feel improvement, and some days you will feel stuck. This is completely normal. Learning a language is not a straight path. It has ups and downs. But what matters is that you do not stop. Even on days when you feel tired or unmotivated, try to do a small amount of practice. Speak for a few minutes, listen to a short clip, or write a few sentences. These small actions keep your connection with English alive. And when your connection stays strong, improvement continues in the background, even when you do not notice it immediately. Another powerful habit you can build is reviewing your own progress. Once a week, take some time to look back at what you have practiced. You can listen to your old recordings, read your previous writing, or think about how easily you can now understand English compared to before. This reflection helps you see your growth clearly. It also motivates you to continue because you realize that your effort is creating real results. Without this awareness, many learners feel like they are not improving, even when they actually are. So take a moment every week to observe your journey and appreciate how far you have come. It is also helpful to create a positive learning environment around you. Try to include English in your daily life as much as possible. You can watch simple videos, listen to podcasts, or read short articles in English. You can even change your phone language to English or think in English while doing daily activities. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more natural it becomes. English should not feel like a separate subject. It should feel like a part of your daily routine, just like eating, walking, or working. At the same time, be patient with yourself. Do not compare your progress with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Some people improve quickly, while others take more time. But that does not mean you cannot reach fluency. What matters is your consistency and your effort. If you practice every day, you will improve. It may take weeks or months, but the result will come. Fluency is not about being perfect. It is about being comfortable, clear, and confident when you communicate. Finally, remember why you started learning English. Maybe you want better opportunities. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to connect with people from different parts of the world. Whatever your reason is, keep it in your mind. Let it motivate you on difficult days. Let it remind you that your effort has a purpose. When your purpose is clear, your practice becomes stronger and more meaningful. So keep going. Practice every day. Speak even when you are not perfect. Listen even when you do not understand everything. Read, write, and think in English as much as you can. Slowly, your fear will disappear. Your confidence will grow. And one day, you will realize that you are speaking English without thinking too much. It will feel natural. It will feel easy. That is the moment when all your daily practice turns into real fluency. Keep moving forward. Your goal is closer than you think. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.